subscribers. So, I'm currently pretty ill at the moment. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I'm trying my best to sound alright in this video. But this is just like a blush bath I'm doing because I'm not well, and you know when you want to bath when you're not feeling too good. I'm doing like a Lush cocktail, so it's different. I'm using Ickle Baby Bot, which is like the one for kids, like lavender in and stuff for bedtime. I'm using half of my Mango Bath Mat, and it's really, really nice. And then I'm using a chunk of my Comfortable Bod to make some nice pink bubbles, and some Angel's Delight soap, which is the Christmas soap. So that's what I'm using, and I'm just going to show you them all in the bath. So I've used the Comfortable Bar, and I only used a small bit from the big chunk, which made my bath water quite purpley and kind of like what Twilight makes it. And the smell is heavenly, and I think it's like going to be one of my favourite blush cocktails. So it was Ickle Berry Bot, half of your Big Mango Bath Bomb, bath melt even, and also a bit of the Comfortable Bar, and this is what you get. The mango bath melt lasts ages as well, just half of it even. It's kind of like a buttery consistency coming from it. Really, really nice. Yeah, so let me know what you thought to the Lush cocktail, because it's better than just doing just one bath bomb, because you can see what Lush products are like all together. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!